morning to my dear children. Today we are going to have our science class and my first chapter is nutrition in plants. So what are the objectives that we are going to learn today is life processes, nutrition, nutrients and mode of nutrition. So these are the things we are going to learn in today's class. First of all, you need to know what is life process. Life process is the basic function in a living thing. Okay, the basic functions are respiration, excretion, growth, reproduction, movement and response to stimuli. Now what is respiration? Respiration, in common words you say breathing, that is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Excretion is giving out the waste material from our body. Growth, you know, as we grow, and then reproduction is producing young ones of your own kind. Movement, we move, we living things we move. But if you see this table, it is not going to move because it is a non-living thing. It can only move when we apply force to it. And then responding to the stimulus. What is responding to the stimulus is, when you see a plant growing, what do you see? That it always grows towards the sunlight. So that means it responds to the stimulus. Okay, now we will come to what is nutrition and what are the nutrients. Nutrition is the process of taking in food and its utilization by the body. Utilization means using it up by the body. Whatever we are eating, in that food we are having different type of nutrients. Now let us see what are the nutrients we are having in our food. First is carbohydrates, then fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates you get in rice, fat you get in. Now let us take a look at the modes of nutrition. What are the two modes of nutrition are autotrophic and heterotrophic. What is the meaning of autotrophic? You know what is the meaning of auto? Auto means self. So it is having the self nourishment and trophic means nourishment and hetero means others. That means they get the nourishment from someone else or somewhere else. So here you see autotroph, they can make their own food by photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of making food by the plants with the help of water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay? So this is how the autotrophic is. Now the heterotrophic is they cannot make their own food and they depend on plants or animals or both. So they depend on these things for their nourishment or for making food. As we have learned that there are two types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Heterotrophic is further subdivided into three, that is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So what is herbivores? Herbivores are animals that eats only plants, that is cow and goat. Carnivores are animals which eat only flesh. Flesh means meat of other animals like tiger, wolf, and omni means both. So they eat both plants and animals like we humans, crow, cockroaches. Also I would like to tell you a fact about the heterotrophic, that is the insectivorous plants. Some plants are also there, they are also heterotrophic. Why? Because they take plants like the insectivorous plants, that is pitcher plant. So what do? They have a pitcher and they take the insect inside and they close it. And why do they do that? Because there is lack of nitrogen in the soil. That's the reason they take the nitrogen from the insects. So that's all for today and I have given the homework. You have to write the definition of these words: life processes, nutrition, photosynthesis, autotrophic, heterotrophic, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So you need to write the definition in your copy. You make a science copy and write the definition in the copy. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.